How to hide activity status on TikTok account. So first of all, open TikTok application and go to the category of inbox. From here, beside inbox on top, you can see a green button. That is the sign for online. Tap on it. Now once you do so, you can choose who can see when you're active. In my case, the option has been selected for public, which means that anyone on TikTok can see my activity status. You can see the option of friends. If you choose on this option, your followers and people whom you follow back can see your activity status. You'll see each other's activity status only if both of you set it to public or friends. Now, if you choose the option of no one on TikTok can see your activity status, but you can see the activity status of users who set it to public. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.